Once upon a time, there was a man named Jesus who lived in a land called Israel. He was very kind and wise, and many people loved to listen to him speak about love, peace, and forgiveness. One day, Jesus decided to ride into Jerusalem, the big city, on a donkey. This might seem like an ordinary thing, but in those days, it was a big deal. People heard that Jesus was coming. So they lined the streets, waving palm branches and shouting, "Hosanna, blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord." The people were excited because they believed Jesus was going to save them and bring peace to their land. They spread their cloaks on the ground for the donkey to walk on, showing great